Okay, you guys, so literally the day after I unboxed all of my Ulta stuff, I went back for bronzer. I made the mistake of going in the store to try and swatch bronzers, and this is what happened. Oh, and I needed body wash and cotton pads, and technically I'm like almost out of this too. But yeah, so let's get started. This is the butter bronzer in just like the regular bronze. I wish they would have had the deep, because I don't feel like this is deep enough for me, and I have like light medium skin tone. I don't know. It's okay. I'm gonna keep trying it. I'm gonna layer it with my matte bronzer from Too Faced, the Chocolate Soleil, and then see if that works better, because on its own, like, I don't know. Everybody said it looked good, but we'll see. I did try this out too, the NYX HD finishing powder. And I do have to say that when used with a large fluffy brush to just kind of lightly dust over the face, it does blur pores, and I don't feel like I got flashback, and it's very, very finely milled. I wasn't able to feel this before I bought it, but it feels very similar to the Derma blend that I was going to pick up. It does have more white cast to it when I rubbed it into my hand versus the Derma blend, but so far I'm not having like issues with it. First impression is like when I played around with it, like it kind of washed me out because I put it on top of all my makeup after like my contour and stuff. So I'm going to try something completely different next time and get back to you on that. I got the Pro Foundation Mixer, in white. Unfortunately, one of my favorite foundations that I got complimentary of Bare Minerals and Influencer, this one, it oxidized darker. So I mixed it in with this, and I can actually get a really, really close match to my Maybelline Fit Me in 125 when I use the mixer. I have not tried it on my face though, so I'm gonna have to try that mixture on my face. I picked up the new Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define shades C6 and C3. I swatched them in store. The undertones and like the dry down, they do oxidize probably half a shade deeper. That's why I picked the shades that I picked. Now I've been using light and light neutral from Tarte, the Tarte Shape Tape, but that is light for me, and I usually have to go over it with my foundation. So I wanted to go a little bit darker on these, and I wanted to try something a little less expensive. The Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer I got for free when I bought the Lorac Unzipped. So I basically bought this so I could use it in conjunction with other palettes, because I liked the soft glam look, but I didn't feel like I needed it because I already have the Modern Renaissance from ABH. So this is phenomenal. Like, honestly, this is such a good palette. I've played with it a few times now. It's so great. More to come on that. I saw this from that Taylor. She swears by this in the Ultra Black. It's like the one with like the eye serum in it, and it's the black liquid eyeliner, in case you haven't seen her. I have not tried that yet, but I will. I had to buy myself a separate pair of tweezers because my husband keeps taking mine. Then I also bought the NYX White Liquid Liner. It's a brush tip. I've tried this, and while it's opaque, it also cracks, and it's a pain in my ass. So I'm going to have to keep working with that and see what I can do with it. I bought the Wonder Pencil for my waterline in medium. The color is perfect. Like, it's so perfect. And previously I was using the, let's see if we can find it in here. The Essence Easy Glide and Waterproof in Silky Nude. Okay, so this stuff stays amazing, but it's too light. It's almost as harsh as white on me. This one is much more true to my skin tone, so I'm not sure about lasting power. I've only worn it for, I think it was like 6 hours, and it lasted fine for 6 hours. Beyond that, I'm not sure. And then for free, I got this NYX cute little lippy bag with the matte liquid liner, which I'm keeping, and the Subversive matte lip liner, which I think I already own, so I'm not sure what I'm doing with that. And then Copenhagen, which I already have an open one of, so this is going to be given away. And then I've been using and really enjoying the Tea Tree Skin Clearing Body Wash from the Body Shop. I feel like it's been helping my acne quite a bit, and yeah, it's just working for me, so I'm buying a refill. And then these were like $2.99 for 80 of them, which isn't terrible at all, and I seriously need those for my toner. And then the B6 from Urban Decay. Now this stuff is great because I actually don't use it as a prep and priming spray. I go and put all of my makeup on except for like my mascara and my eyeliner, and I just use a light misting of this because it has a super fine mister. The mister is even better in my opinion than like the All Nighter and the De-Slick, and I use it to melt my makeup together before I put on my setting spray. So anyway, just kind of wanted to show you everything. Swatches and all that will come with future reviews, so stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching.